All right, we have more news. In fact, coming in at this point in time, it's a big scoop on Andhra Pradesh cabinet formation. Sources indicate that Pawan Kalyan wants the post of the Deputy Chief Minister. He's voiced this opinion in the past as well. Pawan Kalyan seeks 5 cabinet berths. As far as the Andhra Pradesh government is concerned, BJP likely to get 2 cabinet berths in Naidu cabinet. Naidu's son Nara Lokesh set for cabinet debut as well. Nara Lokesh is going to be, in fact, a cabinet minister, is what we are picking up. It's a big scoop on the Andhra Pradesh cabinet formation with the alliance partner of the Bharatiya Janata Party likely to get 2 cabinet berths in the Naidu cabinet. Pawan Kalyan is seeking 5 cabinet berths. Also, Pawan Kalyan wants the post of the Deputy Chief Minister for himself. Pawan Kalyan in the past as well has spoken about the fact that he would want to in fact be the deputy to Chandrababu Naidu. The government and the chief minister in fact take oath on the 12th of June. Here is what we are picking up from our sources. As far as the cabinet is concerned, the BJP is asking for 2 berths. Pawan Kalyan is asking for 5. Pawan Kalyan also wants to be the deputy chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. It's a big scoop on the cabinet formation in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Pawan Kalyan wants the post of the Deputy Chief Minister. Akshita Nandgopal is joining us live for more details on that story. Essentially, BJP, which is the junior most alliance partner here, wants 2 Pawan Kalyan. As we know, Akshita is pushing for the post of the Deputy Chief Minister. What else are you picking up?
7 a.m.
We apologize for that.
Of Andhra Pradesh. What we're hearing at this point is that there's a meeting currently underway to figure out who gets what, how many berths goes to which party, because this is a mandate for 3 parties, for the TDP, Janasena as well as the BJP. Now, each party is pushing hard right now. The Janasena party in particular, because they had a 100% strike rate of getting all 21 seats in the assembly elections that they fought in. Pawan Kalyan is pushing hard to be the Deputy Chief Minister. There is a strong possibility of him actually getting that. But besides that, reportedly, he's also pushing for about 5 cabinet berths as well. So that's a big ask. We'll have to see if Chandrababu Naidu actually accommodates that. One particular name who in all likelihood from the Janasena party will be accommodated is Narendra Manohar. He's a senior leader, was earlier with the Congress as part of the Janasena since 2018. And also because of the experience that he has from the Tenali constituency, he could be accommodated in the cabinet. As far as the BJP goes, in all likelihood, they'll get 2 cabinet berths and they'll be happy with that. The agreement between the TDP and the BJP, whether in the central cabinet or in the state cabinet, is very, very clear. The TDP got 2 berths. You had in the Council of Ministers an MOS rank as well as a cabinet minister. The BJP in turn, now in Naidu's cabinet, will get 2 berths. And the names I'm picking up right now is one, Sujana Chaudhary, who is the MLA who won from Vijayawada West, and Vishnu Kumar Raju, who won from Visakhapatnam North. So these are the 2 names doing the rounds as far as the BJP is concerned. A meeting is currently underway to iron out who gets what, how many leaders will come in from each party. But it'll be interesting to see, more than any other party, how the Janasena really finds representation, because everyone's been talking about how Pawan Kalyan played a big role in bringing this alliance together, and also about how they've managed a 100% strike rate. So with 21 seats that they've brought really in on the table in Andhra, we will have to see whether they get that demand met of 5 cabinet berths besides the Deputy Chief Minister post for Pawan Kalyan.
All right, I'm going to thank you. Akshita Nandgopal getting us those details. Yes, but the partners are wanting 5 berths is what Pawan Kalyan, including the post of the Deputy CM. BJP is asking for 2 is what Akshita is telling us.